data collection. So data is the backbone of any successful machine learning model. If you don't have good, clean, accurate data, then even the best algorithm of machine learning will not perform well. So for example, you have too many missing values. So there are 100 rows and 10 columns. You have one value missing in first column, you have another value missing in another label, so you will not be able to build any model out of this data. Or that if the data has so many inconsistent entries. Inconsistent entries means that which are not realistic entries. So let's say if the claim registration date is before accident date, or let's say the age of any human is 200 years, temperature that is 200 Fahrenheit, right? So this kind of example not really fit into the realistic world can be the are called inconsistent entries in any data. So the first thing is that we have to deal with these kind of entries, that we have to clean this data and we have to remove all the outliers. So there are different methods that we will see to remove outliers. Now the second thing comes that what is the source of data? So when we start collecting data, data can come from multiple sources. So it can be from the log of some tickets or some ticketing tool, or it can be the data that is pulled from some CRMs like Salesforce, Avaya, or some other application, or it can be a result of any API. So when we get the data from different sources, we have to ensure that the data includes all the labels that we required for our model. So let's say we are collecting the data for fraud analysis, we should know the credit card number, we should have the expiry date, customer age, customer occupancy, date of birth. So these can be the related fields. If these fields are not available in any of the source, then our data will not make any sense and our model will not be able to perform as per our defined success criteria or as per our object. Whatever data we have, it should be a clean and consistent data. So if you are going to use a poor quality data or inconsistent data, it might give you the model, but that the prediction or the objective from that model will not be as any business or any strategic team is expecting. After data collection, what is the next step? We have the data now.